G'day everyone, how you going? I'm Benno, this is the shed, this is the Fairlane, and we're about to program the keys. Yes, got a bloke coming over right now, and we'll be into it very, very soon. Before we get here, having a couple of dramas with the car, always some sort of drama. Yes, I did replace the glass and what have you on the mirror. So I'm going to have to open up the motor inside the mirror to basically lube it up. It's a bit stiff and it's a bit dry. I think that's all the problem is. I've had these open before and I know they are a pain in the bum. You may say, why don't you just get a BA mirror? They'll do the same. Well, this is a Fairlane mirror, the memory mirror, and I'm finding it very difficult to find a BF memory mirror. And the BA, even though externally they are identical, there's a control unit inside there. They are actually different to these, and the big tell is the color of the wires. On this one, it's a blue, violet and yellow. On the BA, it is a double red, black and green, I think, from memory. I'm gonna have a go at fixing this. If I can't fix it, then I'll just have to hunt around and see if I can get the right one of these. There he is now. Okay, let's get into it.
All the doors closed.
That's what I want to hear. So what's it doing now? Programming PCM?
I was just programming the keys to the PCM. Right, and I've just got to do a module initialization.
Got to keep all the doors shut too, don't we?
Yeah, at the moment.
Yeah. I shouldn't have sat in the car. Now I'm locked in for the duration. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes, doesn't it?
Sometimes, yeah. It's got to generate an encode.
Yeah.
It'll ask for an out. It'll give me an out code, and it'll just want the encode.
Well, that actually looks promising. It's not coming up with that. Well, we've got low battery, but
No battery, but yeah.
but that's fine. That's fine. If it'll turn over, then it's done. Yep, that's working.
Security lights off.
Well done.
Done.
Good stuff. Thanks for that.
No dramas.
So let's get this battery charged up and see if we can get this thing to fire properly. I'm excited. Let's see if the thing will fire up. All of my lights. Got no warnings. Well, a bit rough. I reckon the fuel's a bit dirty. First time this thing has started in at least 2 years. There we go. Sweet. Got a little bit of a miss, but I'm pretty sure that's just going to be fuel. You beauty. So here we are, we're driving the truck. Every now and then you get a view worth looking at, and I'll share it with you. Hopefully. There we go. It's part of it. Bit hard to see. A little bit of an idea. It's early harbour. Bit hard to video and drive a truck. Yeah, so every now and then you get a little bit of a view like that. Well, there we go. I didn't video it because I needed to concentrate on what I was doing, but I've had that completely apart, had the whole interior of that mirror apart, and it actually works. It's all back together. Inside of the car's all back together. Oh, I can't really see that. It fires up, it runs. Well, I know everyone's been waiting with bated breath. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. Things have been a little bit hectic, and there's one good reason for that, because where I work, we had one fuckwit, one really piss weak, incompetent fuckwit who couldn't do the job, couldn't take over the work that I did. So I've been doing his work and my work, and I've got to actually thank this dude, because I've now actually got the money to go down to Brizzy, pick up a motor for the 80. So thanks, fuckwit. It lives. Now I've got a bit of space again. Yes. Oh, thank God for that. I might be able to actually do some more work now. Let's take it up the servo. See if we can just whack a little bit more fuel in it, just in case. Because it's pretty low and the fuel in it's pretty crap. It's been sitting there for 2 years, so let's just do this. Sitting in this car is just so friggin' comfortable. A bit different to driving that little roller skate over there. AC on, let's remember how to do this. Let's turn the, oh, the AC works a charm. Oh, that's so cool. Beautiful. Everything's a bit stiff on this car at the moment because it has not been driven, even started, in over 2 years up until now. So we're going to get past that. Yes, we will. Beautiful. All right, let's head out to the servo. Turn some lights on. Oh, is there any washer? Oh, there's still water in the washers. Let's clean the windscreen up a bit. Might be able to see out of it. To use a gunk on that windscreen. That'll do the job. Might need to put a new set of wiper blades on it. I think they're a bit stiff and hard. Not doing the job brilliantly. Oh, car coming. Brakes work. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, first drive in 2 years. Oh, this is such a nice car to drive. It really is. I'm only going to the servo. You know, it feels like it hasn't even been off the road. What a bloody nice car. Around the corner, just shoot into the local servo, and we've got an order. Nice takeaways and restaurants and stuff just here, just around the corner from my place. Okay, servo looks good. Let's go over there, let's chuck a bit of fuel in it. Let's see if we've got the cars coming. No. Oh, yes, we do. Look, there's one there. Ooh, just as well I saw that. Okay, over to the servo. And I'll chuck about 50 bucks worth of fuel in it. Oh, look at that, adjusting that mirror. It works. Oh, bloody beautiful. I'm happy. I'm a fucking happy chappy tonight. I'll be even happier when I finish doing this because I'm going to have a few beers. All right, let's see what the deal is. Where's, I think I can remember where's all the buttons for this. There we go. Fuel door works. Yay! Oh, boot's open. Should probably shut that. Okay, we'll chuck 50. 50 of 98 octane in it. I forgot. Fords are a bit funny sometimes. Maybe the vent on the filler's blocked. There we go. This is so exciting. So glad to have this car on the road now. And it doesn't watch. It's got 2 years worth of crap sitting over the top of it, but not today. Nearly finished. Nearly finished. Okay, that's 50 bucks. Got $50. That gave me 25 litres. Yeah, it feels expensive. It's $1.92.9, $1.93 a litre, which is actually better than it was. I'll turn the camera off because I get a bit upset sometimes when I'm filming inside the shop. Alright, so the local service station is closing down for 6 weeks. But apparently it's getting renovations, so yeah, they got to do it. It didn't look like it was that much of an old servo. I'll see it runs with some new fuel in it. It should be pretty good. It should be better than it was. The only thing I really need to do to this now for a roadworthy, so I can register it, is put a set of tyres on it, which I can probably do tomorrow because it's Sunday tonight. I could probably whack a set of tyres on it tomorrow. I might even do it legal and get a permit to take it on the road properly. Traffic coming from that way. No, they're turning in. I love the way North Queenslanders use their indicators. Absolute last moment. Is this one going in? No, they're not. You just never know whether they're actually going to turn or they're going to go straight ahead. So, oh, that's North Queensland for you. Oh, we don't need lights. Who needs fucking headlights? Don't need friggin' headlights. Oh, so sweet to drive. So smooth. And the power, I'm going to just take it around the block. Hopefully I don't have a crash. Yeah, I'm just going to take it around the block because I haven't driven this thing for so long. Oh, look at that. Temperatures are fine. And this thing has got the best original gear sound system in it. Let's see if I can turn it on. Oh, I'll try and do that a little bit later when I've taken it around the block. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm so enjoying driving this. So I mean, a big reason for getting this particular car onto the road is so I can hook a trailer up and I can tow it down to Brisbane and pick up the motor for my 80 series. So things are actually happening, guys. So we're actually getting there, and we might have some real progress. Such a nice car. Oh, glad I didn't sell this. Oh shit, I'm doing 60 already. Oops. Just handles so nicely. Drives so smooth on the road. And we'll get past these people. Give it a little bit of a boot. Oh yeah, Barra motor. Gotta love a Barra. Oh, brakes are a bit shuddery, but it is what it is. It's been sitting for a long time. Yeah, I'm gonna park it out the back, so I'll get this gate open. Can I get this around this corner? Maybe. Maybe not. It's a big car. Oops. No, I can't get it around there. Alright, I'll just have to back out. That's going to make it a lot easier to get in there. Look at that. Oop, straight through there, straight through there, straight through the gate. But so far, I'm pretty happy with the way this thing has just run. And I'm excited. I'm excited to have this car back again so I can use it. Let's lock her up. Lock her up, lock the gates, and it should be pretty safe for the night. Okay, all locked up. Good night, Fairlane. Hey birdie, Fairlane lives. Fairlane lives.